Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to set fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy. So let me show you the steps how you can do that. You have to go to your settings, application, and then head over to biometrics and security. And once you are there, just go to tab fingerprints, and here you'll find the option of fingerprints, and it is a quick and easy way to unlock your phone and verify yourself in apps. So there is a tips for fingerprints in there, and make sure that you don't use a screen cover while registering fingerprints. And thick protective film can affect performance. If you use a screen protector, check to make sure it's labeled and compatible with the on-screen fingerprint sensor. And tap on continue. Here, just before you register your fingerprints, you need to set a secure screen lock, like pattern, PIN, or password. Remember it, so you will need to unlock your phone after it restarts occasionally at other times to ensure your phone is secure. So once you secure your screen lock method, start scanning with the center of your fingertip. Press your finger on the sensor, then lift it off when you feel the vibration. And once you are there, after the device detects your finger, lift it up and place it on the fingerprint recognition sensor again. Repeat this action until the fingerprint is registered successfully. For better fingerprint recognition, when you scan your fingerprints on the device, be aware of the following conditions that may affect the performance of this feature. The device may not recognize fingerprints that are affected by wrinkles or scars. The device may not recognize fingerprints from small or thin fingers. To improve recognition performance, register the fingerprints of the fingers used most often to perform tasks on the device, and so on. So yeah, this is how you can just register your fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy. Hope this tutorial will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.